crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I have some card samples to share with you guys today. Some goodies that I used up over the weekend from Kat Scrappiness, and I made some, a variety of examples. Alrighty, yeah, it was fun. Alrighty, let's get started. Okay, crafters, so in my haul, let me show you first the supplies that I ended up using. What sets? Love that beach accessory set. And when I did the Kat Scrappiness haul, I had shopped her Memorial Day sale where she had 15% off, and I had used the AfterPay also to spread out the payments, the four flex pay. I tell you, don't forget to use AfterPay. So this, totally adorable. And the one thing I thought I would have been the first one I used, I ended up not using. I did not use this, but I used a lot of other things. Next, I used this little seam builder. Okay, I'll pop the name here, but totally adorable. Happy Summer. Yes, I used that. I didn't use the other ones, the paper hugs and all that, but I will. I also used the Slimline, the fancy scallop, and the mini. Now, Kat, if you're watching, I love this. I would love the Slimline with the same scale of this one, the bigger distance in the scallop. I like this better than this. Just to be honest with you, you can make a part 2 to this. That's fine. I'm not mad at this, but I like this look better, the wider, and I'll show you that in a second too. Also, if you are going to go there, this is one of my most favorite dies from Kat Scrappiness. Merry Christmas. Christmas in July is coming. I just spoke to one of my crafty friends yesterday. She was already working on some gnome house using her Cricut maker and making some 12 by 12 layouts with this gnome thing. It was super cute, but this is a great die. Fits, will go straight on a card. Let me put it on the back of a mini Slimline. See? You don't even have to do anything else beyond that. just that. And this is a mini Slimline, okay? So that's a nice one. I just wanted to throw it in here in case you do go to Kat Scrappiness. This one is one that keeps on giving. And this would be great too. 12 by 12. Yeah. Just love it. Love the font, everything. Did use a rainbow. And my quokka. One of my viewers, she did mention it's in Australia. It's from Australia on a little island, and I want to say nest something, but it's a wallaby, and it is known as the happiest animal. Yes. No. So these actually, normally a critter stamp does not look like the critter. You know, you don't see squirrels going around smiling, going hi, but this thing smiles hi. So I thought that was so cute. So the quokka is there. They're on their own little island, and they're very friendly, I understand. And they do smile big and bold and let people, feed them and pet them and all that good stuff. And I also use this set. This set is so darn cute. Alrighty. So let's continue. Let's first start with the first card that I made in my series of card making. Summer. Look at that. It is bigger than a 5 by 7. Took out a cloud stencil, and this is Tim Ho Savage Patina. It's great for clouds. Look at that. Love it. As you can see, that's the Happy Summer. So I used, how many die sets here? I used 2 of Kat Scrappiness dies. Happy Summer, and this. Here, down here, that's right here. This, that's the bag. So here's the tote. That's the tote handle. This circle, that's for the beach ball. That's for the sun. And then I didn't use that, the starfish. I didn't use this, but I definitely did use those flip-flops. Look at those flip-flops. Come on. Oh, love this. I was just like, oh, love it. Let me tell you how big these flip-flops are. 2 and 3, is it 2 and 3/8? Yeah, 2 and 5/8 actually, by call it 1 inch. And if you're wondering what this is at the bottom, this is a Hero Arts embossing powder called Sand, and I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. Not on sale. I know. Painful, yes. But jeez. And when you do, if you do get it, heat it from the bottom first, underneath. Don't heat it on the top. Everything's going to blow off. You have to heat it from the bottom. But super duper cute. So that's my first card, layered up. I put some pink foil cardstock in the back. Let me tell you what this is, because I know it's not 5.5. Yeah, 5.5 by, let's say, yeah, 5.5 by 7. Because I had it like this, and then I needed something to break the width of right here. But hope you guys like it. I think it's so cute. And this is all done on Bristol, Strathmore Bristol smooth surface cardstock for the ink blending and such. I think I even used it here. Super duper cute. And yes, I did pull out my glitter. It's a glittery summer. It sure is. I love this so much. The flip-flop, oh, this set, just love it, love it, love it, love it. If you're like strapped right now and you can't get it, you know, open up an account on Kat Scrappiness and make a wish list. Put this in the wish list when she has another sale. I'll let you guys know, because I generally know when she has, you know, 15% off, etc. Put this in there. Use AfterPay. Spread out the payment. So that's that one. Oh, and the Happy Summer. But I'm going to keep this out because I used it again. So here's a little sidebar. Along with using the Happy Summer die. Awesome. Tell you she has some brand new word dies along with her regular word dies. But this whole little series here with the Happy Summer, Sending Paper Hugs, Thinking of You. I will list all those word dies below because they're really cute and they're at a great price point. This Happy Summer I used here. I also used it on my AliExpress example. So I just wanted to show you guys, you know, this is a little bit more bold because I have the contrast, darker in the back, lighter on the top. And with the glitter, I just wanted to show you how different I could have gone with it. So I could have translated maybe a light tan over here and go to yellow, but I had the yellow here for the sun. But, you know, this is only white cardstock, so I could always cut glitter and then pop it on top of this too. Hey. Nothing wrong with that. Put an adhesive sheet behind this. Done. Now, when I say adhesive sheet, yes, I am still talking about my Sizzix adhesive sheets. I don't like to mess with wet glue on these type of things. They drive me crazy. It gets too messy and all that. But the adhesive sheets work fine. So I could cut this again, pop it there. But this is an awesome set. This die measures, let's say 4.25 by 2, good size, works on both, you know, A2 cards, that 4.25 by 5.5, as long as bigger and bigger. Great little title too for a scrapbook layout. Alrighty, let's continue, moving on. Next card. Oh, so it's not just Kat Scrappiness here, but I do like it. This is the Waffle Flower Diamond Panel. And I showed you guys this with that thank you card for Mommy Loves Gigi, the one with the rainbow and the unicorn girls from My Favorite Things, MFT stamps. Well, this time I used a Heffy Doodle unicorn that I had pre-colored a long time ago, and it just popped out. Sometimes I'll just pre-color images and put them down. Nothing wrong with that. Here, I pulled out the same color cardstock. These are all Basil color cardstock. Don't ask me the exact names. I know I got all of these from Joann's when they had the 10 sheets of cardstock for $2. That's the sale that I used when I got these. And I used, so here it's rainbow turned at a different angle. I made it more not this angle, I made it more like this to be able to fit on this card. This card here is a 4 by, I believe, 5.25. 4 by 5.25, and I made it as a flip-up note card. Hope you guys like this. I think this is so adorable. Here, that's the cloud right here. Have a sunshiny day. This is a cute, super cute little stamp set from scrapbook.com. It's a scrapbook.com exclusive, so it will be on sale. I will definitely link this below so you guys can grab that because it's a cute little set. Stamps very well. And here, like I said, I was playing up with the with the textures and layers along with the rainbow. And yes, I did pull out my, this is not the right color though. I believe this is Playful Pastels, the Honeybee Stamps Gems. This one is Birthday Bash. I just put it on another card that I'm going to show you in a second. Super cute. I think this is so cute. This just makes me smile. And then you send a note, you know, have a sunshiny day. So that's the rainbow. Cute. And you could have, I could have definitely used it here. Could have had the rainbow, happy summer, the flip-flops. Why not? All of this could have been in the background here. If you think about it, right? It sure could. Yeah. Cute. And like every card I made, they're all looking kind of different too. They're not all looking the same. I already showed you the Merry Christmas, just to add to your stash if you want. This is my scene building set with my summer coca. I have these two right there. The matching die, I know she has it in stock, but I haven't looked recently, so I need to look because I'd love to get that matching die. Cutting this at the angle here, no. And then there's that whole scene building. So it's these two together used here. Oh no, 3. Crab. That crab. This I have the matching die. So cute. Look at that crab. And so I have the little hula girl. She has some little stickle and colored up. I have the guy here. He's hanging out, having his little, you know, lemonade or whatever on the beach. And then did the water, the trees. This came together so well. Ink blended all on Bristol Smooth Surface, Bristol Smooth Surface cardstock. So all the pieces here. And then I just used some little of my white gel pen just to highlight, just to add some variation to all the colors. But look at the sun, the water. I did try to, I didn't try to, I did. Let me not say I tried to make a little, sunset sky. And then the beach. I didn't use the sand this time. I realized it after the fact. After ink blending it, like, oh, I could have used the embossing powder. So it would have been like that here. But, this is Distress Oxide in tea dye. So all of this is all Distress Oxide. I didn't use Distress ink. I did Distress Oxide just to soften up everything. And then have my images. Cute, right? Are you guys feeling this? Oh, I didn't put a sentiment. But guess what? Sometimes I like cards like this not to have a sentiment and then the sentiment on the inside. It's on 110-pound cardstock. Haven't picked what I'm going to say with this yet. That's why I didn't finish it all the way. Could have been Life's a Beach, Enjoy the Waves. I could, right? I was actually thinking of putting it here. I did this late last night, so I probably could put something here. Maybe that here. But you get the hint though, right? Cute. Cuteness can't stop. And then that's the matching die for the little beach accessories. This is actually called the Gnome Beach add-on. So there is a Gnome Beach set along with the Coca Beach set. All Kat Scrappiness originals. Love. Next up, here's a mini Slimline with the beach coconut. So this is the other one actually. So let me pull this back in. That's him on the surfboard right there. And then this is that Altenew layered cluster layer flower. Love. So I did it in yellow, like trying to mimic kind of like how they, Hawaii, you have the hibiscus or the flowers clustered up, that type of deal. That was my thinking. And this is the sandcastle. There's the sandcastle. I was going to use the tiki hut, but I kind of like the sandcastle. The fancy scallop slimline here. Cute, right? The only thing after I started layering up the card, I should have popped him up and then just continue rising this up. I didn't like it flat on it. I don't know. Maybe I probably should have made some sort of surface, but it was late when I was putting this together. And this was the birthday bashes where I got the little gems from Honeybee Stamps to just add the little gems to it. And the sentiment, that's this, Life's a Beach, Enjoy the Waves. I just cut it in two and layered it up there and stamped it in a kind of a khaki. I believe this is Gina K khaki ink. instead of going, you know, black and white, so stark, I kind of made it more reminiscent of the 110 pound. I did a lot of 110 pound craft cardstock too. Everything is pretty much craft cardstock here too as well. But super cute, right? And I colored the surfboard in little layers like the kind of turquoise, salmon, and yellow. That's why I pulled this turquoise. And I stacked the mini Slimline here. I had cut it first in yellow, and I was going to use yellow. And then I decided, no, let me just go with the white. And this white, this is 110 pound. So it cuts very well for the mini Slimline base. This die cuts extremely well. So that's that one. I tell you, this layering set by Altenew, hello. And then these Kat Scrappiness, again, more hello. In the last video, you guys saw my brilliant house store design team share where I have the teddy bear. This is from AliExpress. This is the Kat Scrappiness Fancy Scallop Slimline. Now, what I was saying when I was like, Kat, if you're watching this video, I would love this size in this scale, this scale on this size Slimline. I like the bigger one better than the small. Can you guys see the difference? This I like better than this. Just saying. You can make a part 2 if you want. I would appreciate it. But I like how the fancy scallop is here better than this one. I like the bigger scallops. So that's a mini, and that's the, I guess you call mini on the bigger scallops on the mini. And to let you guys know, because she did watch my Kat Scrappiness haul, a lot of her mini Slimline dies that were not in stock are now pretty much all in stock. I haven't looked like right this second to make sure that things haven't sold out, but these are definitely there. So if you're interested in some of her mini Slimline, they're there, and they're specially priced. Hey, along with AfterPay. Love the AfterPay. And I didn't go this weekend to look and see. I didn't do a lot of shopping this weekend. The only thing I had done that was shopping related was scrapbook.com. You guys know. Alrighty, crafters. So until the next video, life's a beach. Enjoy the waves. Happy summer. Are you feeling it? Can you tell I was having fun? Even this with the teddy bear, little AliExpress on the side. Alrighty, crafters. Stay crafty, my friends. I love the fun. Alrighty. Bye.